Iya Tommy.
Hey, customer.
Iya Tommy. I don't come.
How the children?
Then they fine no. Iya this of firewood. You package am big well now.
Big
no.
o.
How much dey
Firewood
sell?
don cost 1.5.
1.5.
1.5 o. Na 1.5.
Yeah, I no get 1.5 o.
Firewood don dey market o.
I no get 1.5 to pay for just ordinary firewood. I better go feed gas o.
You never know say dollar don increase? I don increase my price o. 1.5.
Wetin concern dollar with firewood?
Wetin concern dollar concern firewood? Make I sell my own sheep, ma go buy expensive. Everything don cost for market. Rice 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Garri 2,500, 2,000 naira. So my firewood, you want make I sell am cheap? Ma go buy expensive for house. Firewood is 1.5. If you no want am, madam, dey go.
I no get 1.5 to pay. If you go gree collect 700, make I collect 2.
Tinubu don make everything increase for us o. If you no want am, you go. To feed gas is 1.5. Kerosene nko. Firewood don dey expensive. See bush, no firewood for bush.
So you no fit send your children go bush, go buy
Madam,
firewood.
what did
How
I
we
worry
take
you?
concern dollar?
Wait, you never hear my story. Madam, if you don't want buy, they go.
Me,
I
Iya.
say they go.
Yeah, you no go.
I
do
say
me.
they go.
If I don't bring that money, call you no go do me.
Madam.
anything. You go sell firewood for
Madam.
me. You go sell firewood for
Not
me.
be by fire, by
Na by
force.
force.
You
You
go-
no bring your pot for
Madam,
night.
move.
Hey, Iya, you
Other-
touch me. My children are agboro.
Other customers-
My children are agboro. You know say my head no dey hear word.
Madam, they go. I not
You go go back village. See as you dey with your fake lace. You go back village o. Yeah, woman.
I be a young woman. Customers are always right. But this one, you must not be right. I be a young woman. Come.
Oya come now.